Assalamu alaikum, here Isha Siddiqui, lecture number 7. Today's video topic is 5 techniques of product research. Method 1. Go to Amazon and start typing anything any letter in search bar and see what Amazon wants to autocomplete with. This show you what people are usually searching for, and if people are searching for it then they probably want to buy a tool. Method number 2. Go to amazon.com bestseller and look through the bestseller. Most of these are saturated or competitive, so go through subcategory after subcategory until you land on a promoting opportunity. Find an idea from here. Method number 3. Go look at any product on Amazon and go through their reviews. Click on reviewer name and you can see every product they have ever reviewed. Find an idea from here. Method number 4. Go through deals website and looking at what people are trying to launch, trying to check out gem spend, rebate key, or just any Facebook deal page. Method number 5. Whenever find any word shortlist product, click on the seller store name and look through their product from here. Fresh idea to be considered. Allah Hafiz, remember in your prayers.